to Always Alyssa. Hey everybody, welcome back to Always Alyssa. Guess what? Today I'm going to be giving you guys a life update. There has been a lot going on recently. I mean, we just finished summer, we went on a lot of trips, a lot of different places, and it's becoming fall now, and we're still super busy. Everything's been crazy, and today I'm going to be giving you guys an update and telling you what's been going on. As you know, school started sometime around August, so everyone is in school now. And a lot of you guys have been asking if I'm still doing homeschool or, you know, what's the deal with that? And I think most of you probably know by now that I have been doing homeschool for a couple years now. And I am sort of still doing homeschool, but instead of just doing books, I am now doing online school, so it's a little bit different. So now about half of my work is going to be online and half of it is going to be out of actual school books. So I'm kind of doing both right now, but I'm really enjoying it. I do like the online program that I'm doing. It's not too hard to use and it's going pretty good so far. Usually for my school routine, I will wake up, go take a shower, brush my hair, brush my teeth, get dressed, all that stuff. But then once I'm ready, I will go down the hall and I will have the same thing for breakfast like every single day. Unless I don't feel like it. Well, usually I have oatmeal, but it's like the apple kind or the brown sugar kind. I forgot the brand, but it's a super common one that like everyone buys. Whatever the brand is, I don't know. But anyways, it's really good. So I just eat one packet of that like every day for breakfast. Unless I'm feeling special, then I might make myself banana pancakes, but that would only be on a rare occasion. Once I start eating my breakfast, I'll sit down to my computer and start doing my homework. I'll usually do a couple courses on the online one because I have like at least 10 different courses that are all different subjects. So I'll just kind of pick and choose a few. And then I'll go to work in some of my books as well. Another little update about school, not only about me, but my brothers, Zach, Chris, and Michael, and Owen actually, have found a school to go to that is like, I think it's a private school. I haven't actually been there, so I'm not totally sure. But there's a school with a bunch of other kids, so now they can make some friends and stuff like that. And David and I are doing online school, so we are home while everyone else is like at their school. So it's a little different this year, which is interesting, but I kind of like it because then at least in the school hours, it's like really quiet in the day and I can film. Like right now, actually, I'm able to film while they're all at school. So it is a little bit nice having it a little bit more quiet in the morning. My next little update is, yes, I am still doing soccer. I'm still on the team. I actually just had a game yesterday. And it's funny because I tripped. I don't even know how I tripped because it happened so fast. Either I tripped on someone's feet or the ball. I honestly don't even remember, but I tripped and fell on the floor, but I hit like pretty hard. So I'm like super sore today. Like my arms are sore, my legs are sore. So yeah, I just feel kind of sore, but that's okay. Update number 3, this one is really exciting. So yesterday, I was in LA with my mom. We went to another gifting suite. I think I told you about the last time I did this. It's kind of where you like go. It's a super small event, like less than 100 people, I would say. Super, super small. And you go in and they have a bunch of different stations and booths of like either clothing items or makeup or like skincare, even sunblock, kind of stuff like that. But anyways, it's super fun. So we went to that, and this time they had more clothing, and I was gonna show you guys what I got. The first thing I got is this jacket, which is super, super cute. I saw somebody trying it on and I was like, oh my gosh, I absolutely love that. Like I needed to get it. I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of a close-up here. It's like black leather jacket. It's super comfortable though. So soft and like all the little, I don't know, decorations, zippers, whatever you want to call them. But it fits great, so I was really happy to get this one. Next up, I got this adorable jean dress. I know it might not look as cute on the hanger, but trust me when I put it on, it actually looks super, super cute. It's a perfect length, and it also has this super cute belt in the middle. I really like this one. Here's the second dress I got, a little bit different. This one is tan color. It has some cute like pockets. And I do like the zipper. That design is super cute. But this one also fits really good. I love it. This is the third and final dress that I got. And I love how it has like the bow up here, super sparkly. Because you guys know me, I love sparkles. This next item might actually be one of my favorite things that I got there. They are pants, but just check it out. They are like silver, shiny, like super cool fabric. Look at that. Isn't that just amazing? Like, oh my gosh, I absolutely love these. I cannot wait to wear them. They actually would look good with this shirt. Anyways, they're actually surprisingly comfortable when I tried them on. So I was really glad to find that out because I thought they might be like uncomfortable because of how fancy they are, but they actually were super comfy. This is the second pair of pants I got and the last item, but I really love these. These are also black leather and they actually fit super, super cute. I absolutely love these. And I cannot wait to wear them. I think I said I love for every single item I got there. But I mean, it's true, I really do love them all. Anyways, I'm really excited about all that clothing, and I'm already thinking in my head of all the cute combos I could do and everything they could match. Update number 4. I feel like a lot of you might already know this, I'm pretty sure at least, but I officially have my driver's license! I'm so excited. I was able to pass my test first try. I was really excited about that. So I have my license now. It finally came in the mail. It's like an actual license, which is like so exciting, but crazy that I'm that old now. Like, what the heck? How has time gone by that fast? Like, it's crazy. Anyways, I've driven by myself now just a couple of times, and it's pretty exciting so far. Update number 5, we went to Bass Lake again for my mom's birthday this year. We've been at least 2 times before. We went last year around the same time. And then we went this year, 2023, I think it was in February actually, which was super fun because then we went for summer, we went for winter, and then we went back again for kind of like fall. So we've kind of been for like 3 seasons, which is super cool. But anyways, I had a great time, and here are some clips from that trip.